Yo, what's good, my family? So look, man, we had a great live call this morning. Really, the whole week we've been smacking the markets over the head, man. So I'm thinking about withdrawing today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm up on my compound plan, so we gonna see. But right now, I want to look at a pair, something. You know what I'm saying? This giving out 92. We've been eating on AUD cat all day. It's finally down. We've been taking buys on this thing literally all day and smacking it. But now it's finally coming down, which is good. Oh, this might be the one here. I might even call this for the team if I'm not too late. I might even call it for the team if I'm not too late. But I gotta go check something out right quick. Yeah, we still going up. Ooh, I don't even know if I'm gonna have time, y'all. Dang, it's messy. Delete that. All right. I don't even know if I'm gonna have time, shawty. I ain't got time to call this one. Dang, see, it already happened. Bruh, I missed it. All right, what else? All right, now I still need to go see exactly where the target is. All right. So I come here to this M15 and I find the zone that it's at right now. This is the zone that we're pretty much at currently. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use a little horizontal joint because I don't feel like, let me see. It's an M15, so boom, that's potential profit target. So I still might have room. Yeah. Okay, so I see it right here. Let me move that up. I'm gonna do one here and one here. Because I feel like we could go ahead and come all the way back up there. They're giving me another pullback. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna go tell the group. Is this Euro GBP? GBP. Gotta tell the group about this trade. Buys 1 to 2 minutes. If it ain't already happened yet, it's about to happen again. But boom. All right, so I'm gonna tell them that, and then I'm about to turn up on mine. So that's a 3 minute, a 3 trade 1 minute buys. All right, so hopefully we can push up here to the zone and we should be straight. This may be the only trade that I have to take to get me to 7,000. You feel me? So if this is it, then we in there. And so far, it's looking like it. But anything can happen. You feel me? What a great sniper entry, though. I'll tell you that much. So we got 29 seconds, man, and hey, we looking right. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we looking right. I might have to pull it up for the gram too. We might have to pull it up for the gram. Yo, Instagram, I'm in the middle of shooting a video right now for YouTube, but I had to show y'all these profits and this sniper entry. Let's get to 7,000. Let's go, man. Stop playing. Hey, God is good. Boom. And just like that for the gram, content. Stop playing with me. Now I'm about to upload that on the gram. And I believe the team ate off that. They should have if they caught it. Because I called it, then I hopped in. You feel me? So, I got to do it. Hey. And it kept going up. So I know they ate off of this. And matter of fact, this is what I'm going to do. Because we ate good today, man. We ate real good. Let me move this up because I did these 3. So let me move this up so I can screenshot for the team. Look at that. I know they ate. Bruh. Hey, God is good. And I'm going to tell you right now, look, if you've been trading and you getting discouraged, let this be motivation to you. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm telling you right now, your time is coming as long as you don't quit. If you don't quit in these markets and you keep doing it, then you're going to eat. This was a day ago. We've been eating off those. I called this one 2 minutes ago. So I know they ate. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to say paid up. Up. Boom. All right, y'all. So that's easy money. I actually want to withdraw right now, man. I'm past my compound plan, honestly, y'all. Like, I already withdrew 4,000 before, and then now I'm about to withdraw 6,000. I'm already done with the compound plan, bro. I want to go back to 1,000, but I want to pay myself, and I want to do it here. You feel me? And then after that, we can talk. But I gotta do it for the gram too. You know what I'm saying? To let the people know, look, we really out here getting it in. You know what I'm saying? So hold on. Before I do that, I do want to tell y'all, look, whenever the market is on a uptrend, all right, because we've been eating off these same setups. Clear channel. Shout out to Peter. He called it the clear channel strategy. But when you got a clear channel down here at the bottom, y'all, all right, it's clear. You just follow the pattern at the top. Whatever's at the top, you follow the pattern. You wait till we pull back. Oh, snap. You wait. Dang. Here we go. You wait till we get a pullback. You hopping on the buy. Right? Wait till we get a pullback, hopping on the buy. Like I said, now, don't know how long it's gonna this one gonna last because it's been doing that for so long that it might finally figure it want to turn around. But look, if you think I'm joking, look at this. This is the patterns we eat off of on my live on the live trades. Look, we crossed above the middle of the Keltner channel right here, pull back, and did what? Buy opportunity. Pull back here, second buy opportunity, and you see it. It just kept happening. It just kept happening, y'all. Pull back, buy opportunities. It just keep doing it. And the whole time, it's clear down here. It's empty. So if you think I'm playing, find that setup and smile at the market because it's time to make some money. I'm just telling you. I tell y'all that all the time. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm about to go over here and withdraw. Look, it's already trying to go up again. What are we doing? All right, let's today we made. All right, let me do this for the gram too, y'all. Yo, Instagram. So today I made $356. And it's only what? I don't even know what time it is in the morning, but it's early. You know what I'm saying? So I want to withdraw for y'all too. Same with YouTube because I'm recording a YouTube video as we speak. We're going to all withdraw together. So I'm going to hit that. Boom. You feel me? We're going to come over here and we're going to do our thing. So let's get it. All right, y'all. So I'm thinking about withdrawing like, I might just do 6103. 6103, y'all. I think that's what needs to be done. Yeah, let's do that. All right. Yo, so Instagram, we're gonna go ahead and withdraw 6103, man. You feel me? Big blessings. So let's do it. 61003. Dang, I'm jacked up out here. 03. There we go. Boom. Throw that in there. And we hit that together. And let's get this money. Stop playing with me. God is good. All glory, honor, and praise goes to Jesus Christ. You feel me? Let's get it. Hey, and that's how we do that, y'all. So I just want to let y'all know, look, everything is everything. You see the account balance back at $1,000, man. And you see exactly what I just told you. Look, we went up for another 2 minutes. Pull back, went up for another 2 minutes, bruh. Stop playing, y'all. Listen, it's money to be made out here in these streets. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? If y'all don't get on Zillow and start looking up your dream house, if you don't get on freaking TripAdvisor and start looking at trips and cruises and all that, because your life will change if you do what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Big blessings, man. I've been flipping these accounts like crazy lately. And I just got to, I got to give all glory, honor, and praise to Jesus Christ. You feel me? We're not about to play no games, bro. You got to pay yourself. All right, y'all. Enough for the Instagram, enough for the shenanigans. Let's just get straight to business, y'all. I'm just hyped up, man, because look at this trade, bro. And they giving you 90%. Do you think I'm joking when I tell you these setups are golden? You find these setups, your money in the bank. Look at this. Back up, y'all. I'm just hyped up. All right. So you could these setups happen every single day. Some of the pairs, like I said, they choppy. Some of them ain't. But these happen every single day, y'all. No cap. And you can eat on it every single day. If you see a pair that don't look like that, then guess what? You ain't got to get in. You ain't got to get in. Simple as that. You feel me? But the ones that are like that, like this one here, you eat. The ones that ain't like that and they kind of in and out, you ain't got to take them. Unless you want to mark up zones. This one, you definitely ain't got to trade it. It's choppy. But if you want to mark up your zones to catch a move, you can. But this is the type of stuff that's going to make you a better trader, y'all. Identifying key setups that works for you, works best for you. And I know the setups like what I just showed you previously, those setups work for us. We've been killing it. You know what I'm saying? So I haven't even had to mark up my zones much because the setup is just there. It's just telling you what it's gonna do. Follow the trend, follow the pattern, y'all. Simple as that, man. People still ask me every time, what's my settings, y'all? I say it in multiple videos, but I said in here, my Keltner settings, change the multiplier to 2. All right, change that to 2. Zigzag, 5, 12, 3. Style, I think I leave that regular. Moving average, y'all, 200 SMA or EMA, really don't matter. And then, stochastic oscillator, 5, 3, and 3, or 14, 3, and 3. Either one works best, don't matter. Change the colors, but I do 92 and 6. All right, and that's my settings, y'all. But I'm telling you, look, trade high probability setups, y'all. If you do that, you will eat in these markets non-stop. If you stay away from choppy markets, now I would say choppy markets is for people with more experience. But if you don't want to put yourself through that headache, trade clear channels, y'all. Look at this. Look at this, man. I'm just trying to tell you, man. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. And same way with OTC for my OTC people. Same way with OTC. Same rules apply. But again, they could be manipulating you. I don't know. But look at this. OTC pair. Clear trend. What? Pull back, buy. And then look at this. Didn't get another good pullback to here. Another buy. Whoop. Pull back what? Buy again. Pull back, buy again. Pull back, buy. And stop playing with us in these markets. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, bro. You might as well smile at this video because you about to eat by doing this strategy. I'm just telling you right now, the sauce has been revealed. But I love y'all, man. I want y'all to make sure y'all keep y'all hair clear in these markets, man. Don't get too bogged down by the world and what's going on in it. Focus on you, your goals, your dreams for you and your family, man. And, stay inspired, y'all. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do in these markets is stay focused, don't overtrade, and know when to stop, y'all. The strategy is there. We already know the strategy. I just explained it to you 100 times over. You know the strategy. You just got to execute. If you trade in the direction of the trend, right, and you trade the clear channels, if you trade those and you do the 4-inch rule with it, it's golden, bro. You're going to hit one of them. You know what I'm saying? And let's say real quick, if it just so happened that the trend start getting broken and it start coming all the way down in here, then that point is still an uptrend, right? Because we still above here. All you got to do is go to the N15 or the H1, find the nearest zone that it could hit, wait till it bounced there, and then hop back in that direction, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Or something like that. You know? Or on the N1, if you find another zone here, because I do this. I find this zone, then I just start marking them down from here, and then it's going to hit one of those and bounce, and I'm back in there. You know what I'm saying? So that's my spiel for the day, man. I love y'all, man. God is good. Y'all keep trading. Y'all keep doing y'all thing. And I'm going to holler at y'all in another video, Lord willing. Peace.